Adeki boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. If y'all don't know who I am Deki Boo, and once you join my team, you will become my boo. So just like, share, and subscribe if you are new. Today we are going to be tasting the new blue PEPSI. So I'm just gonna be comparing because like I know how this is, but I really wanted to try this. This was the last one in the store and I had to get it, guys, because I want to do this video. I really want to try it. I love Pepsi. Like, I drink this every day. Every single day I drink Pepsi. And I just want to try this. So guys, just follow me while we taste the Pepsi. Alright. I'm gonna put down this a little bit because like we're gonna have a seat. Alright, so first off, I just want to taste the original one because like that's what I'm used to. So let me just do a thumbnail. Okay, I'm done doing the thumbnail. I'm gonna taste my regular Pepsi first. Good as always. Let me see if there's any difference in the ingredients. Well, natural berry cola, that's not in this one, and the flavor, what else? Sodium citrate, not in this one. What else? Let's see. Citric acid, I'm not seeing in this one. Sodium benzoate, not in this one. I don't know what that word is. Brilliant blue FCF, not in this one. And Allura red, not in this one. Okay. Gum Arabic, oh, it's in this one. Alright, so I guess that artificial colors. Now let's try this. Without further ado, today's post notification shout out goes out to A Cup of Tea. Make sure y'all go over our channel and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell and tell her that Deki Boo sent you, baby. I'm gonna do a smell first. Like, it's mine, so no one is drinking it, so I can always smell it. Ooh, smells like candy. Like, I'm afraid. It smells like candy, guys. It does. Yeah, it smells just like candy. I'm scared. It's my first time trying this, guys. I saw the advertisement and want to try. You want to taste it first? Let me give you some first because like I'm scared. There you go. If I die, you die. Look at it in the car. Cannot even. You can't really see it. Wait, let me get there. Fix that. Okay, there. It just blends in with the car. Because it's blue. You taste it first. Here you go. How it tastes. Tell me how it tastes. You like it? Alright, I'm going to taste it now. 1. Count down. Let's count. We're counting from 10. Wait, let me just turn on the fan because I'm hot. Like, guys, I really don't. But I'm enough. I don't like to try new things, but I am enough like that. I will try it. Whew. Let's do it. 10, 9, 8. You're counting? How do I count again? Sorry, I nearly said 5. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What the hell? Like, seriously. I think I'm going to stick to my regular Pepsi. I'm gonna drink a little more to see if I actually like it or not. Oh, I thought my tongue would be blue, but I'm lost for it. I'm really lost for it, cause like I don't know how it tastes. Like I don't think I would like buy it on a regular basis because I might not give up my original. But it is not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad, and it's not something that I would drink every day. It's like flavored water. You know, flavor acid. Like what I mean to say is like Viva water. Yeah, it kind of tastes like Viva water with a little acid in it. It is not bad. So guys, if you want to try it out, you can always try it out. It smells just like candy. It have a candy flavor. Let me just, I don't know what is wrong with me. I'm gonna keep it in my mouth and see if the flavor stays. Just, it has a nice flavor, but as I said before, it's not. It has a nice flavor and it does. I'm crazy. Seeing that I put it in my mouth, I'm now tasting it. But sorry. So that's just it. Like, tell me, you guys should try this. It's a Joy in the Blue Element. Or what is women? I don't know. Y'all tell me. So this or this, like, would I buy it again? It has more calories. I always look on these things when I'm buying juice or food because like I don't want to consume too much calorie. But I would buy it again. I'm not lying. I will buy it again. Yes. Later, look what it looks. It's blue. Alright, so that's the end of my video. I hope you liked this video and I hope I didn't discourage anyone from buying this. You can always try it. As I said, I like the smell. I might not buy it again, but I might buy it again. I'm confused right now. and I keep drinking it. I don't know why, but yeah, that's just it. Comment your thoughts on this video, and if you have tried this before, comment how you think it tastes. That's it. Bye bye. See you in the next video.